Hey everyone, this is Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech. Today we'll be looking at the Belkin Boost Charge Pro, a 2-in-1 wireless charging dock with MagSafe. It says it delivers up to 15 watts fast charging for iPhone, and I picked it up today when I went to check out the Apple Vision Pro demo. I did not buy a Vision Pro, but I had to leave with some type of goodie. So here we are. Let's unbox it. Okay, so coming with a jerry rig everything knife. Let's do a little, oops, wrong side. Unbox. Let's open this up. Let's see what we have inside. All right, nice packaging. Gotta love well packaged items. It makes it feel so premium. Interesting. Okay. So with this, we have a 5-foot USB-C cable. Let's take off this paper. We have this sticker on the MagSafe ring right there, the Belkin logo, and the Apple Watch charger, which is not a flexible casing. It is fixed. Let's get rid of that sticker down there. Nice little sticky type surface. Yeah. The main reason I wanted to buy this was it just looked so much more beautiful than the other MagSafe multi-chargers, and that opens up like that, gives you some really nice utility with standby mode. So let's finish unboxing this and we'll give it a test run. Other than that, what else do we have in the box? We have here a 30-watt included power adapter. So interesting choice to keep the USB-C cable fixed. I'm a little surprised by that, but it is braided. It is 5 feet, so it should be plenty long. But yeah, like I said, I love the design of this. It looks sleek. I like how it's a flexible partition. Yeah, let's try it out. All right, let's test this out. I've got my iPhone 15 Pro here, filming on my Pixel 6a, and let's use that MagSafe charger. And there it goes, that 15-watt fast charging, starting instantly. The magnet seems pretty strong. I can pick up the entire wireless charger while it's charging, which is pretty cool. Let's try it with my Apple Watch as well. And there we go. I don't know if you can see that, but that is currently charging. Oh, I really like how vertical it can get. So in total, let me just move it sideways. That is how vertical it can be. So from this angle, let me pull it down this way. Let's rotate it sideways to activate standby mode. Let's see if that works. And there we go. We have standby mode. I love standby mode. It was one of those features that I wasn't anticipating to like as much as I did, but once I started, I could not get enough of it. My favorite is just the nighttime, easy to read red, just like the Apple Watch Ultra. But so far, initial impression, I love the matte feel. It's sturdy. I can pick up my phone without it wobbling around. Love the multifunctionality of being able to charge my watch and my phone, and seems to be charging quickly. And yeah. So that was an unboxing and first impression of the Belkin Boost Charge Pro 2-in-1 wireless charging dock with MagSafe. I'll be honest, I'm surprised that I haven't seen it marketed as much as I thought. I think it's one of the better looking MagSafe multi-chargers on the market. I picked it up in the Apple Store, and maybe it's just pretty new. I think it only came out in December, I believe. I don't love that the cable is fixed to the actual charger. That is definitely negative. But we'll see how it holds up over time. I like the stainless steel finish. I typically don't like glossy, but it looks kind of premium here, excuse me. And yeah, I'm gonna test it out for a little while. I'm excited to have standby mode again. And that has been the Belkin Boost Charge Wireless Charger. This is Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech. Thanks for tuning in.